So out of the blue, legendary Jamaican sprint great Donald Quarry will again be facing the starter, this time in the upcoming J3A's presidency race. Remember, Quarry sounded off a few months ago about the J3A's needing a new vision and new leadership without any indication that he, Quarry, would be the man with the alternative plan. But the succession appeared to be favoring the lone establishment candidate, Mr. Garth Gale, and now all of a sudden, Quarry decided he want to be that guy. Some questions. With Quarry domiciled in the United States for several years, is he going to pack up and move back to Jamaica to run the J3As? If not, is it acceptable for Quarry to run Jamaican athletics from 3,000 miles away in California? And we all know of Don Quarry's sprinting prowess, Olympic gold, Olympic silver, with a 200-meter curve that was the best in the business at the time. But how ready is DQ to run the J3As on a day-to-day basis? And remember now, this grand call for change and now entering the presidency race is all happening in a context where Jamaica is coming out of the most successful period in the history of our athletics. So we're not sure exactly what and indeed how much we need to change. Maverick not take no side, just asking the logical questions and hoping to get the logical answers.